I think recording this video is so necessary because I want to directly talk to those who want to use expert advisors to pass their prop firm challenges and manage their funded accounts afterwards. Because this type of people think that they need absolutely no mindset when it comes to using expert advisors, but they're absolutely wrong. I don't know how long you've been trading for, probably a few years, maybe you just started out, or maybe you've been doing it for 10 years, way longer than everyone else, but you're still not profitable. But you probably started thinking about using automated solutions, aka trading bots, to either pass your challenge, grow your personal account, manage your funded account, or whatever the reason is, but it's still not consistent. Although you've bought so many EAs, you've bought so many trading robots, but you don't seem to find a profitable way to get something out of it. But you know, the thing is that a lot of people think that these expert advisors don't really work out, which I believe they don't. 99% of them don't work out, but there's 1% that you probably have already, but it's still not profitable for you because you don't have proper mindset to use these expert advisors to pass your prop firm challenge, because you want to get funded with 200K, with 100K, with 500K, whatever it is, and you need to have that mindset in order to achieve that results. But in the next video, I want to show you something. I want to show you our open positions at this moment using those trades have been taken by our prop firm passing EA, which is called Alpha EA Incubator. I want to show you what would have happened if we weren't patient with the trades that are already open and the previous ones that were open and they were in like 1 to 2% drawdown. I just wanted to actually show you everything, that what would have happened if we were not patient with everything, like, with the entire process. Because the thing is that you need to be patient if you have the best expert advisors. That's how the game works. So if you want to see the results, that how we can pass their challenges, any challenge size, it doesn't matter, and grow a personal account or even manage a funded account afterwards, stick to the end of it, because I want to show you so much interesting stuff that will definitely blow your mind. So let's get it. Okay guys, I want to show you some of the results of Alpha EA Incubator, and for those who don't know what Alpha EA Incubator is, it's basically a combination of indicator and an expert advisor that can pass your prop firm challenge and manage your funded account afterwards. And as you can see guys, this is how the signals work, and it works on any pair and any time frame. So for example, we are on GBP New Zealand 1 hour time frame, and these are the signals that you can see right here. So if you wanted to take the signal from here to here, it would have been almost 100 pips in profit, and the stop loss very tiny, probably 20 pips. But what I want to show you is this. In the previous video, I talked about having faith in an expert advisor, in a good one that you're using, and not giving up that fast. And this is exactly what's happening right now. So if I want to show you the performance at this moment, you see that we have some open positions right now, and they are $430 in drawdown. So these are the positions that you can see right here. This indicator gave some signals, and the EA automatically took these trades, buy trades, and this blue line here is our profit target, which is the middle line. And when the price hits this blue line, every single position will get closed. But here's what I want to mention and remind you basically, is that you need to trust the expert advisor. What if I wanted to close all these trades at $400 loss? You know what would have happened? I would never pass my prop firm challenge. However, what's the reward of trusting the expert advisor? And by the way, you need to have Equity Protector installed. We have Equity Protector set at like around 3%. So it means that if it gets into 3% drawdown, every single position would automatically get closed. But what I'm saying is that you need to see how this indicator or the EA performs. And this is what happened. See, $6,365 in profit using these two pairs. And this is exactly one of them that has some open positions. So what I'm trying to say is that these expert advisors are able to pass your challenge and get you funded with any challenge size if you follow everything properly according to their instructions. And as I mentioned, everything is available in the VIP channel, plus you will get access to the developer himself one-on-one, because he has multiple Zoom sessions every single week, and you can join the sessions, ask your questions, and literally,
ask him how he can pass a challenge. You just follow the videos that we've shared, you use the preset file, you talk to the developer, and you'll end up passing your challenge. That's how easy it is. See guys, it's not difficult to do that if you follow everything which is already in the VIP channel and ask your questions. So this is exactly what we use for our prop firm challenges and for our personal accounts most of the times. But if you want to learn more, I highly recommend you to join our Telegram channel, which you can see the link below this video, and every single result is available over there. Now it's your turn to get funded with whatever challenge size you want.